Welcome to Beautyistic. Imagine a serum that promises to help you achieve the long, healthy hair of your dreams. But does it really live up to the hype? Today we're diving into Marc Anthony's Grow Long Scalp and Hair Serum, a product that claims to nourish, strengthen, and hydrate your scalp and hair follicles for visibly fuller, healthier hair. Let's break it down. The Grow Long Scalp and Hair Serum comes in a 2 full ounce bottle, and it's specifically designed to target hair breakage while supporting longer, stronger hair growth. It doesn't promise to make your hair grow overnight, but rather to create the right environment for longer, healthier hair strands by strengthening hair from the root. It's enriched with ingredients like caffeine, ginseng, biotin, and rosemary oil, each playing a role in making your scalp healthier, your follicles stronger, and your hair smoother. When I first tried the serum, I was eager to see how it would fit into my daily routine. Applying it was easy. Whether on damp or dry hair, it spreads evenly across the scalp without any fuss. The instructions suggest massaging it in, which feels quite soothing, by the way. The serum isn't too greasy, so it doesn't weigh my hair down or make it feel sticky, which is always a concern with scalp treatments. After using it a few times, I noticed that my scalp felt nourished and clean, without any residue or heaviness left behind. Now let's talk about performance. I used it consistently over a week, both in the morning and at night. What I really appreciated was how soft and shiny my hair looked after styling. It definitely gave my strands that healthy glow. However, it's worth mentioning that I didn't experience any immediate dramatic changes to the length of my hair. No surprise there, as this serum doesn't claim to actually make your hair grow faster, but it helps prevent breakage, which is just as important for long-term hair health. In terms of pros, the serum has a light, refreshing scent that's not overpowering, which I liked. It's easy to incorporate into any routine and has a non-greasy finish, which makes it a great option for those with fine or oily hair. The ingredients, like rosemary oil and biotin, are staples in hair care, known for their ability to fortify the scalp and reduce hair breakage. Plus, it's free from parabens, sulfates, and other nasties, so it's suitable for those with sensitive scalps or who prefer more natural formulations. On the downside, while it does improve shine and texture, I didn't see a dramatic reduction in hair breakage or significant hair growth, as the product suggests. That's to be expected though, since it's more about maintaining hair health than accelerating growth. If you're looking for a serum to visibly transform your hair in a few uses, this might not give you instant results. As for value, I'd say it's fairly priced for a professional grade product. Marc Anthony has created a solid serum that performs well for what it's designed to do: prevent breakage and nourish the scalp. Though, it's not a miracle worker. If you're already using a shampoo and conditioner that targets similar benefits, this would be a great addition to your routine for that extra boost, especially when combined with other products from their Grow Long line. When compared to other anti-breakage hair serums on the market, Marc Anthony's product is in the mid-range in terms of price and efficacy. Brands like Olaplex and Briogeo offer similar formulas at a higher price point, but if you're on a budget, this serum provides good results without breaking the bank. However, if you're seeking something with more intensive growth-promoting ingredients, you might want to explore options that focus on deeper scalp treatments or targeted growth stimulation. Now, before I wrap up, I want to remind you to hit that like button if this review has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss a review from Beautyistic. So, what's the final verdict? Marc Anthony's Grow Long Scalp and Hair Serum is a solid addition to any hair care routine aimed at preventing breakage and supporting long, healthy-looking hair. While it doesn't promise miraculous growth, it's a gentle yet effective serum that strengthens the scalp, reduces breakage, and leaves hair looking shiny and healthy. If you've tried this product, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your experience. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.